Carnivore day 17. I've noticed the one thing that I'm really having a hard time with is finding a rhythm to my meal prep. And it's really starting to wear on me because I'm constantly having to go to the grocery store. I'm constantly having to buy more meat. I've looked into some of these butcher box meal prep, or pardon me, meat suppliers and some of the other ones. And at the end of the day, they're charging you the exact same amount that the grocery stores charge. If you're looking at it as a per pound kind of the point is there's no savings, and it's less convenient. So that's been one of the challenges that I've faced. I'm cooking all the time, which is different than how I used to kind of live life. I'd meal prep for the entire week. I'd meal prep rice, vegetables, a lean protein, and I would meal prep 2 of those for every single day. And it was really, really easy. So all I had to do is open up, meal prep, throw it in the microwave, and go. And I do that now to a large extent. However, I'm eating a lot more meat. I'm eating about a pound of meat a day, which we talked about previously. But I'm noticing that once it cooks down, it's not as much as I thought it was when I bought it from the grocery store. So, that's been a little bit of an issue. So I'm cooking all the time. I still like the food though. So that's a good thing. Rather than sitting here and complaining about the things that I don't like, I'm going to try and strategize around how to make that more convenient. Because if this is really going to be a long-term sustainable way of eating, then I want to make sure that I can get in the rhythm of a proper meal prep. Okay. So with that being said, I'm just going to maybe on Sunday, I'm just going to straight raid a couple different grocery stores and buy all the meat that they have on sale. Maybe I'll take you guys along with me on the ride. We'll see how it goes. But that's kind of where we're at today. It's been a little frustrating. I know that I've got steaks that are salt and peppered, and ready to go on the grill. They're not grilled. So I'm gonna get home. It's Friday night. I'm gonna go meet my wife and kids at Cruisin' Grand, which is a pretty cool classic car show they do every Friday in the summer out here in Escondido, California. Pretty awesome. But point is that I'm gonna get home late, and then I'm gonna still need to eat. And I'm already kind of hungry, if you guys can tell. And it's already 6 o'clock now. So that's kind of where we're at on that. So at the end of the day, what I'm saying is, the meal prep is going to be clutch for you guys to do this and do it right. So let's make sure that we're getting out there. We're preparing all of our meals when you get on your Carnivore, and then we'll see how it all goes from there. Appreciate you guys. Real quick, bacon grease for cooking your food. Bacon grease. I've learned that, and this is from one of the comments on Carnivore day 5 and 6, is bacon grease works just as good as butter for all of your all your cooking. So I was thinking it was gonna make kind of a weird taste for the steak, or texture or whatever. It's totally fine. There's not really much of a difference. So I like the salted butter, but the bacon grease is good too. So appreciate you guys. Later. Bye.